Confusing English words, than and then, from espressoenglish.net. Than, spelled with an A, is used in comparatives. For example, I'm older than my brother. A car is faster than a bicycle. I learned more from my parents than I learned from my teachers. All of these sentences are comparing two things or two situations, and with comparatives we use than with an A. The word then with an E is used in several ways. It can be used to describe the next event in a sequence. It can be used to mean at that time, or it can be used to mean in that case. Let's look at some examples. First we went to the store, and then we went to the post office. In this sentence, the word then introduces the next event in the sequence. Come to my house at 7:30. I'll be ready then. In this sentence, the word then means at that time, at 7:30. If the bank is closed, then you'll have to make the deposit tomorrow. In this sentence, the word then means in that case. In spoken English, than spelled with an A and then spelled with an E often sound exactly the same when speaking fast. Listen to these two example sentences. I'm older than my brother. First we went to the store and then we went to the post office. Both words are simply pronounced then. If you'd like to clear up your doubts so that you can use English words more confidently without mistakes, check out my ebook, 600 Plus Confusing English Words Explained. It will make things clear.